Hello everybody. Welcome back to the channel where we talk about stuff. So, as it stands right now, a lot of the news that we've been getting since around springtime is apparently that Bitcoin needed to pass by a sequence of numbers to be able to prove that we were actually out of the bear market. We had news earlier in summer. I think that Bitcoin had to pass by, I believe, 22,000 to show that we were in a bullish trend. That number then became, I want to say 27,000. I believe that was also the number. But we stayed roughly around there for a considerable amount of time and kept on hearing that $30,000 was the number that we needed to break and stay above over the course of a 24-hour period to show that once again, the bulls were kind of back in the market. What a lot of people did not expect, and we've been going over for a while as well, is that we normally have not moved up this much in price before the halving has even taken place. This is, of course, because of the energy surrounding the ETFs, the halving, the interest rates, you name it. There's like 1,000 bajillion things actually happening. Bajillion is not a word. Happening at the exact same time. So recently, a very popular analyst within the space, his name is Michael van de Puppe, actually announced that not only is the bear season over, we're actually completely in the bull run. And once again, this normally doesn't happen until the halving has actually taken place. Popular crypto analyst Michael van de Puppe shared his current price prediction around Bitcoin and says that since Bitcoin actually passed by $40,000, that was kind of all we needed to see, that Bitcoin is basically, at this point, the guesstimates are, for those of you who either missed the other channel, The Modern Investor, or maybe the last couple of videos on here as well, the estimates right now is that by the end of this year, we won't be that far off from the previous all-time high. And then the issue is that by the time we get to around January or February, the halving is expected, I believe, sometime in April, maybe early May. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be April. We will probably have already surpassed the previous all-time high. He said Bitcoin is progressing towards $48,000 to $50,000 before the halving. It has done this in previous cycles, and we will probably see it again here. As long as the price stays above $39,000, I am quite positive Bitcoin is getting further away from the risk of dropping back to $30,000 every day. This is also, if you happen to have scrolled by or have ever seen, I like to call them negative cryptocurrency YouTubers. There's a slew of them who constantly release news that they believe that Bitcoin has to go back down. The interesting part is that they're always wrong, and I'm not sure how they continue to release news like this over the course of the last 5, 6, 7 years. It's basically the idea that if Bitcoin goes up, it needs to take a breather and come back down for a bit. That's normal. If Bitcoin goes up to 49,000 and it falls back to 46,000, it's okay. People are taking some profits. It's generally normal. But these other people seem to believe that Bitcoin would need to fall back down to like $19,000, stay there for half a year, and then move back up. And every time that they say this, once again, they end up being wrong. But a lot of people maybe like the doom and gloom surrounding a lot of their predictions. As it stands right now, the energy in the space is insane. You must all be able to feel like actually is palpable, floating around all of us. The excitement that's back, the way that people are talking about the market again, the amount that people are buying, the messages you've probably been receiving from friends and family members asking you, hey, I saw Bitcoin went up in price. How do I go get some of that? It's all back, and I am anxious to see exactly how much higher we're going to be by the time we actually get to the halving, because a lot of people are predicting that if we do pass by the previous all-time high by the beginning of next year, next December, that is to say a year from now, is probably going to give everyone an exceptionally good Christmas. And then we still have normally another 9 to 10 months of a bull run extending into 2025 as well. Yeah. Just thought I'd share the good news. Apparently, mathematically, we are completely back in a bull market, bull run right now. And now the only question mark is exactly how high that we're going to go over the course of the next 2 years while the market continues to pump. I do sincerely hope that you have all enjoyed. I do hope you all are having a great day, morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are, wherever you might be. I do hope it's absolutely fantastic. Thank you all once again for watching, listening, liking, commenting, and or supporting. And I will most certainly be talking to you all soon. See you.